The shocking environmental lapse in Himachal's Kasol, a popular tourist hotspot, now buried under garbage. Take a look at those pictures coming in, and the video has since gone viral. Heaps of garbage in a beautiful spot like Kasol. More in this report.
In the heart of Himachal's Parvati Valley, a paradise now choking under mountains of filth. 8 months of garbage dumped, not managed, not treated, just buried in the wild. Kasol, a tourist hub, now a symbol of neglect. Waste from homes, hotels, and streets has been heaped into the forests of a wildlife sanctuary. Exposed by a viral video that stunned the nation. Days on, India Today team reached Kasol and did a ground reality check to find out what the authorities are doing about the pile of Himalayan garbage.
बिल्कुल पार्वती वैली के बीचों बीच कूड़े का ढेर लगा हुआ है और इतनी स्मेल यहाँ पर है इस समय कि आप यहाँ पर खड़ा होना भी मुश्किल है। जानवर आप देखिए किस तरीके से यहाँ पर कोई जिंदा है, कोई मरा हुआ है जानवर भी। हालांकि कुछ लोगों से बात की गई, लोकल रेजिडेंट से।
साल भर हो गया
है तो क्यों फैल गया इतना कूड़ा यहाँ पे? कौन गिरता है?
ये यहाँ से आता बाजार बुजुर्ग से
लोकल।
The response? JCBs and tippers rushed in, not to clean up, but to dig and dump deeper. 2 kilometers into the forest, the garbage was buried. A direct violation of environmental laws.
शर्मसार करने वाली तस्वीरें हैं क्योंकि मैनेज करने की बजाय इसको कैसे मिसमैनेज किया जा रहा है उसकी साफ तस्वीर है। नीचे से कूड़ा लाकर यहाँ पर उसको जंगल के अंदर डंप किया जा रहा है और ऊपर से मिट्टी डाली जा रही है ताकि कोई इसको देख ना सके और किसी को पता भी ना लगे और कहने को बाद में प्रशासन कहेगा कि कूड़े को डंप कर दिया गया, कूड़े को मैनेज कर लिया गया। लेकिन कैसे मैनेज किया आप देखिए।
One tipper driver admits they're working on the village Pradhan's orders, dumping in the forest and covering it with soil.
कहाँ लेके जा रहे हो ये कूड़े को?
भाई फेंकने के लिए ले जा रहे हैं। दबा रहे हैं इसको।
कहाँ दबा रहे हो?
जंगल में।
ऊपर जंगल में?
हाँ जी।
तो ऊपर जंगल में क्यों दबा रहे हो? अब ऐसी हरियाली है, नीचे तो इतना कूड़ा है, नीचे से ले जाके आप फिर ऊपर में जंगल में दबा रहे हो।
ये हमारे को तो न बताइए।
किसने बोला आपको ये दबाने?
जो जिसका कचरा है वही बोल रहे हैं।
किसका कचरा है?
ये कचरे वाले जानेंगे, हमारे को तो इतना पता नहीं।
ये टिप्पर किसका है?
ये यहाँ प्रधान का है।
Politics over the matter has erupted, with the BJP slamming the ruling Congress for the mismanagement.
डीसी के पास एक बार इनका प्रतिनिधि मंडल गया था स्थानीय लोगों का, तो उन्होंने उल्टे डांट के भेजा उनको कि तुम्हारा कूड़ा कहाँ डालना है। और ये हमने कहा अभी कि ये उल्टी बात है कि आप शहर का कूड़ा गांव को कैसे ले जा सकते हैं। मैंने स्थानीय लोगों से भी फोन पर बात की, उन्होंने कहा कि हमें जो है साडा को पैसे देने पड़ रहे हैं।
MLA Sundar Thakur blames delays and lack of land, but admits there's still no proper dumping site, despite collecting crores in green tax.
ये कूड़ा कचरा जो है सेग्रीगेशन के बाद रांगड़ी जो मनाली के पास साइट है उसको पिछले साल से बंद कर दिया गया है। तो उसके बंद होने से और हमें दिक्कत हुई।
Kasol was once a postcard of Himachal's scenic beauty, but buried under layers of soil and silence is a story of neglect, denial, and a forest slowly drowning in waste. With Aman Bharadwaj, Bureau Report, India Today.
I'm going to go straight across to Aman Bharadwaj, getting in more details, joining us from Kasol at this point in time. Aman, the blame game here continues. Some blame the tourists, but tell us, what's the government now saying? What's the administration now saying about this?
See, we spoke to Sundar Thakur, who is the chairman of SADA Special Area Development Authority. So he has admitted that there's a 6-month delay. So they were in search of the dumping site. But you'll see, because here in Kasol there are 400 to 500 hotels, and the waste is being dumped or processed in from last few years, even many years, till the site has been developed at a tourist hub or a tourist destination. You see, still the tourists are going. They have covered up their face. They have taken masks just to cross this area. And this is the right spot where the video went viral. And now also you'll see the garbage, the waste, which is like 80% of it has been taken away, either dumped inside the jungle 2 kilometers ahead this wildlife sanctuary area, or been taken to the cement factories, etc. But you'll see the animals, they are sniffing garbage, eating garbage, and also some laborers, they are picking up the things that are left. But it also raises question how administration has carried out a cover-up operation in last 4 to 5 days. Since the video went viral, they took the garbage from here, they dumped inside the other place. Even this spot was, this place was polluted by the garbage, but they have themselves polluted other space as well. So they say that they've been delayed by the allocation of this dumping site. The contract is yet to be finalized. They are hiring a company, namely Healing Himalayas, which will take the garbage from here and they dump and process at the dumping site. So the garbage is being kept there, but no machinery has been installed so far. No contract has been given to any company on papers, and practically the work which is to be done from last 6 to 8 months is not started yet. And yesterday or today, when we saw here, we shown the reports from here. So the JCB and the tippers that were working aggressively from 4 to 5 days to cover up the operation and dump this garbage inside the jungles to disperse it. So that JCBs and tippers are also vanished from here, which itself shows how the cover-up operation was done and how the project from last 4 or 5 days, the big project in a way, they were carrying out from here and dumping inside the jungle. So that has also been stopped. And you see here how the garbage which was placed here in 200 yards area here, just near the town of Kasol. Trees here, how they are shredded, their leaves are shredded, they are completely brown in color from green. So this shows how the greenery here is affected, the vegetation is affected, and just 50 meters here from here, the small river, small water flow is there, so which is also polluted. And Kasol is an international destination for the tourists. People here, tourists here, visit this place for many years, and many people, even the foreigners, have their hotels and their homestays here. And it shows how the waste garbage from Kullu, Buntar area, local here in Kasol hotels, 400 to 500, they're all waste, whether commercial or residential, is being dumped here. And you see very minutely how whether the cans, plastic bottles, wrappers, each and every waste from the locality of around 50 kilometers from here is being dumped here. And authorities are been claiming that now they have initiated the work, and they'll definitely in coming 2 to 3 months, they'll clear up the space and they'll develop it as a tourist spot. But what about the
what
effect
took
that
them so
nature
long,
has
Aman?
witnessed, whether on
Why
trees,
this
whether on the
mismanagement is the
people?
big question. You know, the question is simple here. Claims are being made, like you said, by the authorities that within 2 to 3 months they will develop this place. The thing is that this was natural beauty that didn't need to be developed. It was the jewel of the Parvati Valley, destroyed by the administration in such a way, in a callous way. You know, tell us, what is their explanation on this gross mismanagement?
See, they majorly say that they were waiting for the clarification. They were for the certification. They were waiting for the permission MRF that is being cited by the authorities. So that they got in November 2024. But since then, it's been 6 to 7 months. But no dumping site has been established in last 6 months. And also the dumping site which was there in. See, you see the tourists, they are international tourists here, whether foreigners or people from other states, they are going for campaigning, and we'll show you the visuals along. And see, the question you asked that how it got delayed is majorly they were waiting for the permission, but the permission also they got in November 2024, and since then they cite reason that poor weather was there was no connectivity. This side has witnessed snowfall and flash flood, so the connectivity to the road, so the waste can be carried out to Kullu, was disturbed. But that doesn't seems to be practical on ground, because you see, since then also there's many tourist footfall is here. Hotels data shows that there were people, connectivity was there, other communities, other mobility was also there. And also the Manali dumping site was shut by the NGT last year. So the waste which goes from here to Manali is being kept here, and thing is they didn't find any alternative. So if the Manali dumping site has been shut, what next to do? And no temporary arrangements were made. That's what locals claim. And also, if it was to be the delayed or any temporary arrangement, they were not finding it. So it can be
gross
managed.
mismanagement. I mean, this is the jewel of Himachal Pradesh, as we can see. But look at the pictures that speak volumes of neglect, and not just neglect, criminal apathy on the part of the administration. Pictures now being clicked by tourists of the garbage dumps instead of the picturesque valley of the picturesque region here. Really, Kasol, the pride of Himachal Pradesh, today turning into its shame. I'm going to leave it that for the moment.